Welcome to this video guide on inverters. We will explore the differences between pure and modified sine waves and why choosing the right one matters for your electronics. Inverters are essential for transforming power. They take direct current, or DC, from a battery and convert it into alternating current, or AC, which is the standard power required by most household appliances. A pure sine wave is the gold standard. It provides a smooth, clean voltage transition that matches the power supplied by the utility grid, ensuring modern devices operate exactly as intended. Modified sine waves are a lower-cost alternative. Instead of a smooth curve, they use abrupt voltage jumps. While this design reduces manufacturing costs, it is a less precise approximation of standard power. The trade-off for simplicity is noise. The stepped shape of a modified sine wave introduces high-frequency harmonics, measured as total harmonic distortion. While pure sine waves keep this noise below 3%, modified waves often exceed 20%. These sharp voltage spikes can overwhelm the capacitors in modern electronics. This stress can lead to performance issues, such as microprocessors crashing or digital clocks losing time. Motors are also affected. Induction motors rely on smooth power, and the harmonic noise from modified waves causes internal physical vibration and heat, significantly reducing efficiency and shortening the lifespan of equipment like compressors. Audio quality is another casualty of electrical interference. The electromagnetic noise created by modified waves can travel through wiring and be amplified, resulting in a persistent, unwanted buzz in your speakers. This compatibility matrix highlights why sensitive gear like medical equipment, variable speed motors, and computers require pure sine wave power, while only very basic devices like heaters can reliably use modified waves. Using modified waves doesn't just impact your appliances, it affects your battery bank. Because these waves are less efficient, appliances draw more current, leading to wasted heat and shorter battery runtime. Don't rely solely on labels, as budget units can be misleading. Use an oscilloscope to view the true waveform and a true RMS multimeter for accurate voltage readings, as standard multimeters often miscalculate modified waves. The good news is that the cost gap between these technologies has narrowed significantly. Pure sine wave inverters are now more accessible, offering better long-term value and protection for your electronics. In summary, protect your hardware by choosing pure sine wave power. It is the modern standard that ensures safety, reliability, and efficiency, matching the power you expect from the grid.